Igbo want to be a president of Nigeria, you guys, you have one leader now that is trying to build Igbo land. But some people, Igbo people, they attack this man, which is Wike. Wike is Yoruba, Wike is Igbo leaders that you now get now. Make everybody go what? Go work with them. Anywhere Wike is going to, work and follow him as a Igbo members. If you like, no support Wike. Now you know, Wike, where they support Asiwaju, where they buff Asiwaju, you know, say leader, boss for boss. You know, say Asiwaju na boss. He bow. As they bow, Asiwaju can what? Can put him there as Igbo must be a president of Nigeria. We never can tell. I know say they're saying that, but with what I'm seeing for Igbo land, now Wike be your leader. When I go support him, anywhere Wike is going to, all Igbo follow him. You know what he's doing? He's a wise man.
So sugar man, abilege man. So all this while Wike they shall say, I don't be Igbo. No, you know see that one. No still agree saying Wike no be Igbo. Every now and then, now they call Wike an Igbo man. Wike say you no be Igbo. Make una leave Wike alone. Anything when you want to make you go Ikwere, go do it because Ikwere no be Igbo. Tomorrow, onye Nteje will come out and also say Nteje no be Igbo. Onye Oka will also say Oka no be Igbo. Onye Obosi will also say Obosi no be Igbo. Because na wetin e mean. Do you understand? So make una watch you, make una hear when Wike dey talk say I no be Igbo. But when Ndị Ugwu want to address him, they will address him as an Igbo man. When onye Yoruba want to address Wike, they will also address Wike as an Igbo man. Even some of our prominent men wey dey this country, they address Wike as an Igbo man, but see it, Wike no go talk anything. Do you get the point? Even if you are denying yourself, your enemies know who you are. If you like, they deny your identity. That is your enemy where they far knows you very, very well. Any day where they want to deal with you, they will deal with you according to who you are. And who are you in Nigeria? Igbo. No, now listen.
One of the most popular questions here
Yes.
is that you are Igbo and that you are denying that you are not Igbo. Are you Igbo or not?
I'm not.
Yeah, he says he's not. But you're listening to this one again.
The Eleme people had joined Ogoni. We would have been 4 nationalities. We have the Jaws, we have the Igbos, we have the Bantu Ogonis. The Jaw people had been governors. The Igbos had produced 2 governors, Odele, 3 governors, Odele, Amechi, and Wike.
Siam, even their brother where they close to them in Liver State there, still no say they be Igbo. Hey, the kind of level of identity crisis where they this south is quite alarming. But it's all right. Now now listen to this one too.
Go there, no. I'm a typical unrepresentable horror man. I'm not an Igbo. Listen, get it clear.
He said they're here again. That he's an equivalent man. They understand me. He's not an Igbo man. Listen to this man too.
I'm sure that Tinubu had no boundary. No boundary. If you come to Abuja, you see Wike is Igbo man. You see Omahi is Igbo man, minister. Everywhere, no boundary.
See Amabi? Tell him Mama to ask Wike, are you an Igbo? Wike said, no, he's not an Igbo. Another channel interviewed him. He said he's not an Igbo. But that Eze, I know you know how old that Eze be. As old as that Eze knows that Wike is an Igbo man. Lege man, I be from Yoruba side. They address Wike as being Igbo person. Do you understand what I'm saying? Even Asare the Koba, where they close to them, knows that they are all Igbo people. Do you understand what I'm saying? So I really don't know why this identity crisis, somebody will be just, denying his identity. I don't know. Because Ikule is like somebody from Oguta in Imo State. Can Oguta person come out one day, start saying that he's not an Igbo person, or a Kurobia person, or Nankago, or Oka person, or Mbaku person? You don't understand what I'm saying? Or Onitsha person will be saying one day that he's not an Igbo. You understand me? But I say this Biafran war. Biafran war mere ndị Igbo taa maka Chineke. Biafran war destroy a lot of things for us, Bundi. Our tradition, our history, our ways of our life, that is who we are. Do you understand me? Na ọgụ a mere anyị alụ, an avoidable war, not because of ebe a na-anyị m ụzọ wee jide ụmụ Igbo wee sụọ ụmụ Igbo akwụ, ka ọwa a na-apụta na kịta na-akụgheri n'ọnụ okenye ka ọ bụ amara m akpali ndị papa mmadụ na-akọgheri since Ojukwu nọkwa ndụ ọ pụtara na-akọ inye ọ na-akọ. Do you understand me? Ihe niile Ojukwu kwuru because of Aburi Accord dey clear like crystal. Do you understand what I'm saying? But today Gowon is still stamming. Ọ na-akọ maka Aburi, ọ na-asụsụ ọsọ nso.